Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another episode from Salvage Nation. It's a lovely day out, so I wish I can go enjoy this bear, but I've got lots of work to do. And as you can see, the car is parked on double yellow line, as I'm always told in my comments. But where the garage is, when the cars get dropped off, if they're not running, they just get dropped on the road. So in this box, I've got a whole bunch of parts that hopefully will mean that once I fit them, I can drive the car into the garage. So that's where we're gonna get started. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, smash that subscribe button because we're going to be putting out lots of content on this car and my other builds. And if you haven't seen the first episode on this new build, go check it out. I'll put a card up above. Guys, today we're drinking Turkish beer. The Turks are out. FS, yeah?
Best in the world, man.
Yeah?
Best in the world. Everyone try to drink this.
FS.
FS brown bottle, not green bottle.
No worries.
No.
Where's my one?
The one inside.
That's my one.
This is it.
Guys, FS, best beer in the world apparently, according to the Turkish people.
No problem.
Guys, this might look easy on camera, but I've got 17 years of rust, grime, dirt, all to contend with, and it's got everything just extra difficult to come off. But we continue. Let's go. Right guys, so I've got the suspension off, the hub, the broken control arms and everything, but like I said, this is a 2003 model, 17-year-old car, and it comes with its problems. Check this out. So with that age, all of the brake pipes are rusted. Have a look at that. So that was completely just, it had already snapped by the time I was taking it off, so we're gonna have to run new brake pipes. Also have a look at that suspension strut. It's rusted right out, so we're gonna have to get a new one of those. Have a look at the top mounting on that as well. A lot of rust has just plagued this car, so we have to take a lot of care when dealing with all of this. And finally, I've tried my best to get this nut so that I can release this, but because the hub is broken, there's no point messing around trying to get that out. So we took the whole thing off. We're going to take it into the garage, we're going to cut it there, cut it the other side, and then this hub can come off, and then I can replace it with that hub right there. So there's still a lot of work to do, but it's getting quite late, So I'm gonna pack up everything and I'm gonna continue tomorrow. So I'll get you guys in the morning. Alright guys, so I've gone ahead, cleaned everything up. I've transferred over my new hub to the shock absorber. Got the new control arms and everything. So it's just a matter of fitting that onto that. There you go. Right guys, so I managed to fit the complete suspension. I skipped ahead because it started to rain. Now the car's able to drive, we were able to get it into the garage. I really want to just jack it up, remove all the broken bits and really get to grips with what is hidden behind all of this surface damage. I know that the radiators are gone and that's going to be coming in the post, but I really want to see what other damage is hiding behind here. So what we're going to do now is jack the car up. I'm going to strip it down and really get to grips with what's going on behind all of this damage. So let's do that. Right guys, so we've managed to strip down all the damaged parts. Some of it was a bit tricky, but some of it was very easy. We took off the wing, we took off the front bumper. We found some more damage, but luckily I managed to order everything that we need. So let me show you what we found. So once we remove the wing, everything on the top here is straight, there's no damage there. I've sorted out the suspension as you saw earlier. We've got some damage right here, but we can straighten that up. Look, it's very flimsy, that one right there. Got some bruises on my hand as well. But this is the salvage game. This is what we do. You saw the last bit that I removed was, this is the radiator carrier. This is damaged, but I've got a new one of those coming in. I've got a new radiator because have a look. This radiator is completely gone. The fan looks all right, but the radiator is no good. Coming around the front, have a look. The structure of the car has no damage in there. I'm happy with what I'm seeing there. Around the front, there's no damage around the front, and around the passenger side, there's no damage here either. So with the front bumper off, we can see everything that's going on, and I have no concerns there. If I close the front, you can see the lines and everything is good on that side. Everything seems to be sitting flush and nice on this side. I've got no issues there. So what I'm gonna do is gonna clean up all of this mess, wait for some deliveries to come, and then I can start to reassemble stuff and fix what needs to be fixed. So let's clean up, and then we'll see what we're doing for time. Alrighty guys, I've just tidied up the mess on the floor, but I'm still having to tidy up the mess on the car. Unfortunately, I haven't got the parts that I need. One of the things that I'm waiting for is the radiator carrier, which goes right here, and then I can reassemble the radiator, get some fluids into the engine, and then I can really run it and warm it up and stuff. So I'm really looking forward to those bits coming in the post. I've got a new wing panel coming in the post, new headlight coming in, a new front bumper coming. Once those bits come, then I will just reassemble everything, and hopefully I don't run into any issues. So I guess this is where we're going to be ending this episode. Remember guys, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button if you want to see what happens next on this build, the Golf R build, or any of my other builds. And if you're watching this and you enjoy the content, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Another thing though, I've been saying it in the last episode as well, the roof is still not working. So if any of you guys have any ideas, I'm still yet to go through all the fuses and check out everything. But for now, I'm just going to concentrate on the damage, get the car assembled, get the car running and driving properly, and then I can worry about the roof. But if you've got any other ideas, I've seen some of you guys in the comments in the last episode, you were giving me little ideas and tips. I've tried with the handbrakes up, I've tried with the brakes on, I've tried with a new battery, I've tried with 2 batteries, I've tried all sorts of different things. Once you unhook the latch in the ceiling, in the roof, the windows do drop a little bit, so the process begins, but when you press the button, nothing happens. So I don't know what to do. I'll check that out at a later date. But yeah, for now, this is where we're going to be ending the episode. And yeah, guys, like I always say, keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one.